What's up guys? So guys, in this video I bring a very fresh topic for you from English grammar. The name of the topic is continuous tense. As you know, all the tenses are done in three types: present, past and future. In previous video we already done present, past and future in simple tense, and in this video we will do continuous tense in present, past and future. So friends, moreover in this video I will not going to speak a single word in Hindi, because as you know we are learning English, so we have to elaborate all the things in English so that we can learn English quickly. Okay friends, so in this video I will try to explain all the things in English, and we are start from continuous tense in present. So let's get started. Present continuous. So friends, as you know we will start from present continuous. So the translation of present continuous is कोई भी काम करना. कोई भी काम आप लगातार कर रहे हैं उसको बोलते हैं present continuous. So the examples are here, like singing, dancing, listening and running. These are the examples. And the very important thing is pattern. You have to follow the pattern, and the pattern of continuous tense subject is MR, verb plus ing and others. This is the pattern of continuous tense. You have to follow it, and those sentences which I make for you, just have a look. So the very first sentence of continuous tense in present is I am doing work. Next is he is listening to music. Third one is you are working for money. Fourth one is I am leaving this state next week. So friends, I don't think so I have to translate these all the sentences, because now you are that much able to get these sentences, because pattern of continuous tense is subject is MR, verb plus ing and other. So the meaning of verb plus ing is you have to add ing with verb. Okay friends, so that's why I use ing with verb. Move towards next topic. As you know friends, we had done affirmative sentences, and if we talk about negative sentences, interrogative sentences, interrogative plus negative and WH family. In previous video I already tried to explain what is WH family. If you not watch that video, the link is in description, so you can go and watch that video also. And in this video I will not going to elaborate all the things that much deeply, because the video is gone long. Okay friends, so the pattern is you can see in front of your screen, and you can put the video on hold and take the screenshot. Then you will make the sentences, because if you not put your efforts in this, so you will never get the topic easily. Okay friends, so we will move towards the next topic, past continuous. So friends, now we are going to start from past continuous. So the identification of past continuous tense is raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, because this is the identification. So when you make sentences, identification is mostly seen in the last in your sentences, because this is very important. If this sound is not come at the end of your sentence, so your sentence is gone wrong. So you have to see all the things which you can use in the sentences. You have to follow proper pattern. So the pattern, if you talk about pattern of past continuous, so the pattern is subject, was, were, verb plus ing and others. This is the pattern, and those sentences which I make for you, just have a look. The very first sentence is I was going for trip. Next one is she was taking class. Third is you were reading a book, and the last is Ram was taking admission in BA. So friends, as you know I already explain you all the things in present, but in past the only difference in present past is in present you will use raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hai, and in past you will use raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the. This is the only difference. You will use was, were. You can see the pattern of the other type of sentences. You can put the video on hold and take the screenshot. So now jump towards next topic, future continuous. So we are going to start future continuous. So the identification of future continuous is raha hoga, rahi hogi, rahe honge, and the examples are naach raha hoga, ga raha hoga, ya bhag raha hoga. These are the examples. So friends, before watching the sentences, you have to see the pattern. So the pattern is subject, shall, will, be, verb plus ing others. So this is the pattern. As you know, you have to follow this pattern and make sentences. The very first sentence is I will be sitting in the park, and the next one is it will be raining at this time tomorrow. Third one is she will be watching TV, and the last one is we shall going for trip at day after tomorrow. So friends, these are all the sentences in affirmative sentences. And the other type, as I already discussed, the next type, that you have to put the video on hold, and all the things, all the pattern you can see in the screen, and you can take the screenshot. So friends, this is all about for this video. If you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment box. I will definitely give answer of your all problems. And if you think that I give you that type of material which you want, which is requirement for you, so you can give a one like to this video. And also if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates, all the latest update of my video. Thank you so much.